Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to check the version of OneNote you are using on Windows 10. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Microsoft OneNote, I want you to click the sign up option and just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. To check the version of OneNote you are using on Windows 10, you can just follow these simple steps. Number one option is, I want you to go to the File option on the upper left corner, and then hover down below where you can see the account and click on it. Now here, you should be able to see an option that says About OneNote, and you'll see the version of Microsoft OneNote you are currently using. In my case, I am using the version 2411, which is build 18.227.2016 and click to run. Alright, so that's one way. Another option is going to be going to the apps itself. Type here the apps. Click on the apps and features, and you would be forwarded here. And then go to apps and features, scroll down to Microsoft OneNote. You should be able to see the version number here. All right, it's that easy. By click on this button and click on the advanced option, and the version is 16326.22094.0. All right, so that's two ways for you to check the OneNote version. Now, knowing all of these, it's very important for some situations because different versions of OneNote may have varying features, compatibility with certain formats, or integration with other Microsoft apps. So checking the version ensures compatibility with your current setup, operating system, and other software that you may use. Now, the thing is, if you're having problems or having issues knowing your version, you might want to go to the help section here and go to help. Type in the your questions if you are having problems to see if you get an answer. All right. Otherwise, if you don't, go to the support section and click on submit, and then you can simply go to the Microsoft official support webpage and sign in with your account, and then just select the product that you need help with, and that is Microsoft 365 because Microsoft OneNote is part of it. And once you get a hold of the customer support staff, they will give you insights and troubleshooting steps if you tell them that you are having issues knowing the version of your OneNote. Okay, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.